In this story, isn't it? Not story, we are in this project where we were doing this 3D view, isn't it? We're doing this project from scratch, from AutoCAD we started, isn't it? We did something like this. Let's just recap. Yeah, what did we do? We did something like this. Just a second. I said walls. Isn't it? It would be better if I do it like this. Yeah, we had an architectural file, isn't it? We thought we will be doing the whole project, isn't it, from scratch, isn't it? We placed the levels and grids, which is here, isn't it, in the previous part. I don't remember the part number, isn't it? And then we placed the beautiful walls, isn't it? We just placed the walls, and this was the story so far. And I think we also placed the ceiling, if I am not wrong. Yeah, we did place the ceiling, isn't it? This is the opening for the shaft, if I am not wrong. I guess it is. Okay, I did not place the door for some reason. You can place the doors, okay, because this is not an architectural project. Our aim is to do the MEP work, isn't it? What is hidden from this game? Let's say imported. What all we need to do? I'm just telling you. Select all, and I'm just seeing what was to be done. Okay. Okay. So we are not doing the architectural work. I believe we have another file on this, which we will be doing HVAC on this, isn't it? Okay, anyway, so we have finished. How about we doing this plumbing job? Okay, in the next video, sorry, not in this video, we will be doing the plumbing work. How about we doing the plumbing work? This will be a bit of a challenge. You know why? Because the gap is very, very less. It's going to be a bit of a challenge. Seriously, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. The trick would be, what would be the trick? Okay, we'll do it. Yeah, let's try it. And then this is still, we are in the architectural file. Okay, if you cannot see it, we are in the architectural file. Let me just tell you, we are still in the architectural file. Okay, so next, let's say in this video we will link the architectural file. Let's say we're going to open a new blank screen. Go to file, go to new. We said system, because we're going to do everything. System default metric. Why system? Because we want to do MEP. Okay, let him do his story, and then what we're going to do, we're going to link this project here. Okay, let him do his loading business. Okay, so we're going to link the file, insert, link CAD, link Revit, and then we move forward. Okay, we've linked the Revit file, Revit architectural file. You would see it down somewhere here. He is existing. We've linked it. Okay, we just did link Revit, and then we link the file. Okay, so yeah, what else do we need to do now? We need to place the plumbing fixtures. Okay, let's do this project as a plumbing project, and then we can move forward. Okay, so what I did remember is, if you want, we link the CAD file also. Okay, so we will be linking the Revit link CAD. Okay, and then we move forward from here. Okay, we are linking the CAD file. Just a second. Can we move this? Yes, we can. I think it's got stuck. Okay, just a second. I think it's got stuck, isn't it? Or we are not. Yeah, it's got stuck. It doesn't matter. Okay, because it's not pinned. I can move it. Okay, first I need to see my file, isn't it? So what I'll do is, listen, what I'll do is, just for clarity purpose, I will just type VG link and say all, and just make him, let's say, red color something, so we are very clear with what is the story, isn't it? Okay, so this is red. This is done now. Okay, this much is over. If you want, I tell you one thing, let's move this guy here, and we can do the plumbing work. Okay, let's say, okay, this is called smartness, isn't it? Because we know how to do it. Okay. Perfect. So now what we're going to do, I think we are perfect, yeah. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to place these plumbing fixtures. Okay. it will be a challenge, but it will be a beautiful project. If we can do this, it's any plumbing project we can do, isn't it? Is there anything else similar? Yeah. Okay. This is also the same story. This is all easy because we have space, but here we will have the kick. Okay, let's start the story. Go to System tab. Place Are we in the plumbing fixture now? Okay, this is a mistake which I generally do. Should be not happy about this. Go to plumbing view. Insert CAD, and again same story. Okay, we've linked the Revit file. I'll link the AutoCAD file. Actually, this is the whole story. Okay, we have to do the HVAC stuff, everything. But for some reason, I got distracted and let's do the plumbing work. Okay, because I saw this project looks very beautiful. A good test for everyone. Okay, so what we will do now? Okay, we will just move this guy on the file, isn't it? So I would generally become black become difficult to read, isn't it, or draw. So go to the imported category, select all, make him red, apply. Okay, AL, isn't it? So now what we'll have to do is we'll be placing these plumbing fixtures. They're all wall mounted. Okay, so what you're going to do, System tab, plumbing, inside closet, wall mounted, huh? Yeah, we have a wall. Why do I do this? There's no real reason, but generally sometimes you get it flipped, so I generally love to do this, and then we can align it. Listen, sometimes if Revit is playing like this, we can play a story with him. Must be very careful here. Doesn't allow me to align. Okay, looks good, isn't it? Now what we'll do is we'll do the drainage stuff, isn't it? Wow. I think if this was a floor mounted, we'll have more space. I think what we will do is, listen. because of the constraint. Okay, so I'm sorry, we'll have to do it again. Okay. Generally never ever do this, but let's see. Do we bear the consequences?